will show you how is the process of producing sound with the cello. So, this is a string that is in touch with the bridge, and the bridge is in touch with this table. Yes, the front table of the cello. And you can see inside of the barrel there is a stick inside that is this large. So this stick is doing the connection between this front table of the cello and the back table of the cello. So it is one stick that is below this foot of the bridge and is touching the wood of the cello that is connecting this part, so that helps to have all the vibration in the instrument. So this is how it works, the process of sound in the cello. And we have this beautiful instrument. I am Angelica Guevara. Any doubt, any question that you have, please let me know, and see you next time.